Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 PRO to program 2020 Hyundai Elantra Smart Key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is K518 PRO, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key produced by Lonsdor. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select smart key generation. Hyundai Elantra. Select the menu after 2020. Put new smart key into the card slot. Click Generate. Generation successfully. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. Hyundai. Select from vehicle. China. Elantra 7. Select after 2020. Program Smart Key. Note that this function requires Wi-Fi connection and click OK. All smart keys need to program. It will not work normally without program. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver's door once. Click OK. The PIN code was entered incorrectly 3 times. This function will not work normally. Click OK. This car does not support reading the PIN code. Please find the PIN code from a third party. Enter the PIN code. Click OK. OK. Please be prepared with the smart key that needs to program. Press and hold the start button on the top of the smart key within 5 seconds after click OK. OK. Continue to program the next one. OK. The next one also program like first one. OK. Does it program the next one? No need to click cancel. Program complete. Successfully programmed to OK. Now let's try it. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote controls is normal.
We have programmed the Smart Key for 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.